Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I have a Christmas ornament project share. I am actually hosting a Zoom Christmas ornament project, a group swap, with my New York City crafty chicas. And I'd like to stay connected, and this is our way of sharing our handmade goodies with one another and staying connected even if we're not close by to each other, not like we used to, but we can still be together, right? So I am going to post this video when my girls have opened their ornaments and I've opened theirs, and I just wanted to show you what I put together. So here is my ornament, you guys. I'm absolutely in love with how this came out. Has texture, it has sound, it has a little bit of everything. And I'm just loving the vibe with this. I did use the Prima Santa Christmas Sparkle, I'm sorry. And you can't really see it because I've already covered it up. I've used lots of layers here. There's a lot of little elements that I did. It's shabby. It's pretty. Is this considered shabby? I'm not 100% sure if it's shabby, but to me, this is my take on what shabby would be. And I love how these came out. I did make 4, and I simply put love and lots of little layers into this. And I did hang this string a little bit on the long side. I figured if my friends wanted to make them shorter, they can kind of like, I don't know, make a knot, make it shorter. You can do whatever you want with them. But it's always hard to add string, so I made it a little bit on the longer side. I did add this little jump ring and jingle bell because, I don't know, it's an ornament. It needs a little jingle jangle. So I'm going to break it down on how I created the ornament. Now, if you want a tutorial, I think I could whip up another one, and I'll show you how I put this together. Now, this is my version of what I think shabby chic is. I'm not really 100%, but when it comes to the Christmas crafting, I do love the softer, more pastel whites, and it's just kind of my vibe. So the Christmas Sparkle collection from Frank Garcia is the one that I used in this ornament, although you could hardly see it because I already covered it up. I've added lots of texture, and this is just kind of what I was going for. So I did use this Dollar Tree ornament. I don't know, I had a bunch in my stash, and I did spray paint this in some pink. It's not the prettiest spray paint job. I'm actually kind of not that great at it, but I do love that little pop of pink in the back. And then I took what is this called? What kind of shape is this? I forgot the name of the specific star shape, but I did take a die and I took my Prima snowflake paste and I put this all around the edges of the snowflake. And then I took my Distress mica flakes. Girl, I touched into that mixed media. So I love mixed media for Christmas. I think it's just so pretty, and this mica flake, it just gives it such texture. And then I sprinkled good old diamond dust on top because we need it to sparkle, and boy oh boy does it sparkle. So you can kind of see that here. And then I went and then I added a ring. So I did die cut this die. It's like kind of a wreath die, and I die cut it out of a baby blue cardstock. You can kind of see that in the background. I wanted a pop of color, and I know that the Christmas Sparkle does have blue, not like this kind of blue, but I just wanted that soft wintry blue to have a pop. And then I added a felt snowflake, which looks like this. I kind of left the strings on it because I like that messy look, and I think it makes it shabbier. I did stitch on them, but you can hardly see that again. I covered it up. Then I added a snowflake foam layer on top of that, so you can kind of see that there. I added a snowflake rosette. That is a Tim Holtz one. And then I added this deer, and here's the deer. I have a whole bunch that I cut out from the white glitter paper from Hobby Lobby. so pretty. And then I took a little banner die because I can't be without a sentiment. And then I just stuck this Michael's snowflake on it. I just thought it was just perfect. Added a little Tim Holtz sentiment and then called it a day. I did add each one with a Heartfelt Creation poinsettia die. If you haven't heard me talk about this, I am in love with this die set. It's definitely one of my favorite poinsettia dies. I don't have the stamps. I'm just not a stamper. It's an extra step that I just can't deal with. But I've added each of them with the little poinsettias in the corner. I just think they're just so pretty. And that is my ornament, you guys. I hope my friends will love it. I know they will, because to be honest, it's so stinking pretty. And I hope they hang it on their tree or in their craft room. And it makes them smile because it reminds them of me. And that is it for my project share, you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.